You and the banks get together in the back room and grease the wheels before the merger is announced. And if you're not going to approve the merger, you tell the bank in advance, and then they go figure out something else. If the public wants a chance to weigh in, they have to wait until you've already made a decision. You know, no wonder you approved 100% of the merger applications. Not a single no. Your approval process itself appears to be a rubber stamp, that everything is happening behind closed doors. So the question I have is about the SunTrust and BB&T merger. Is this one just going to be another rubber stamp? You've already made the decision behind closed doors before the public gets a chance to weigh in?
No, not at all. No, we're going to conduct a very fair and open, transparent process. I think our obligations under the statute are clear and they're quite broad. We'll be hearing from groups of all kinds and going through our process carefully and thoroughly.
So it's just that in the last 3,819 merger applications, which were all approved without a single one for which you said no, this time you're going to be listening to comments from the public that might cause you to say no? You know, I just have to say, I'll bet that SunTrust and BB&T looked at that 100% merger success rate and saw what everyone else sees, and that is that the Fed works for big, rich banks that want to get bigger and want to get richer, and then everyone else pays the price for diminished competition, for worse service, for higher prices, for employee layoffs, for the risk that we have yet another too-big-to-fail bank on our hands. And I just think it's time that we put down the rubber stamp and that we really let the public and everyone else weigh in before we create yet another too-big-to-fail bank.